How to remove your Messenger account from another phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Further, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for See More in Account Center. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the password and security option you see there. Further, under the security checks option, tap on the Where You Are Logged In option. And now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the devices that you are currently logged into. So tap on the Select Devices to Log Out option you see there, and then go ahead and select the devices that you want to log out from. Or you can also tap on the Select All option on the top right of your screen if you want to log out of all the accounts. So once selected, tap on the Log Out option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Log Out again. And with this, that particular devices will be logged out from your account. So this is how you can remove your Messenger account from another iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.